Welcome back, everybody. Yes, that is correct. A fire weather warning, also a red flag warning for tomorrow, going until 11 o'clock tomorrow night. Cut Bank, Great Falls, Havre, Lewistown, almost all the way out to Glasgow, not including the Helena Valley, but it probably should, because we don't have any snow on the ground in the Helena Valley, and it will be windy, and it will be warm, and those fine fuels, the grassy fuels, have really dried out, of course, and that's will be the issue for potential wildfires here. Really grass fires, and with winds 50, 60, maybe 70 miles per hour in some of these areas here, that could really send a grass fire off and running, fanning those flames quite quickly here. So please, no burning tomorrow. Be very, very careful. Speaking of those winds, most of central Montana east of the Continental Divide, looking at a high wind warning, 30 to 55 mile per hour. Sustained winds, gusts between 55, and yes, I'm thinking there will be a few 100-mile-per-hour wind gusts here right up along the Rocky Mountain front. But wait, there's more. Our old friend, winter storm watch here for the southern part of the state, really south of Interstate 90. If anybody's traveling through Bozeman, Big Timber, Livingston, around Columbus to Billings, and then further south, this is where there will be steadier, heavier snow here, and that does include Bozeman Pass, and that's really for Sunday night, and Monday. Not much going on the radar. Had maybe a couple of raindrops around Lewistown and Winifred here earlier. A couple of high elevation snow showers up there over the southern end of the Bob Marshall Wilderness. There's a very warm air mass in place. You know it was warm today, 40s and 50s. Tomorrow will be even warmer. Precipitation-wise, not much going here tonight, and tomorrow we'll have some sunshine here with strong downsloping winds coming from the Continental Divide, and that will push those temperatures up rapidly into the 50s and the 60s. I'm thinking a few record highs will likely be set tomorrow, but look at the snow coming down the Continental Divide with a sharp cold front right around the Helena area by about this time tomorrow, clouding up with maybe a mix of rain and snow. Yeah, after highs in the upper 50s and the lower 60s. This will be a sharp cold front, and part of the benefit of this front going through is after the front passes, the wind will begin to die down. Some snow around Helena, maybe around Great Falls out through Lewistown. It's really the central and southern part of the state that will be getting that snow Saturday night into Sunday morning. I'm not thinking much accumulation for the Helena area or for Great Falls, but look at that snow continuing close to Interstate 90 and south as we go through the day on Sunday all the way into Monday. So here's the snowfall forecast, and look at that. So a little accumulation down the Continental Divide here by the time we get into Sunday morning, but the pinks down here near Livingston and Big Timber indicating where there could be more than 6 inches of snow. Now the wind, again, this is really very impressive looking at this map, how much of the state, match the colors here with the temperature wind graph up there. You can see that wind will be very, very strong here through the day tomorrow, but as the front passes through Saturday night into Sunday morning, the wind intensity will go down, thankfully. Look at these lows, low temperatures tonight near 50 near Great Falls and Cascade, likely setting up some new record warm low temperatures here overnight into tomorrow morning, about 40 around Helena. And here's the forecast for Saturday. Warm and extremely windy out ahead of this front, 50s and 60s. That front moves through in the afternoon and the evening, and the winds will ease up by Sunday. Sunday, a return to winter for Groundhog Day and Super Bowl Sunday, highs in the 30s. With snow again, Lewistown, better chance south. The Helena area, yeah, better chance south of the area seeing some snow. Monday, mostly cloudy and cool with some snow again closer to Interstate 90. And then Tuesday, not a bad day with high pressure and mostly sunny skies. Here's the 7-day forecast for Helena. 64 southwest winds, maybe gusting higher than 50 miles per hour tomorrow. It's a different day on Sunday. Old man winter returns. I don't think there's much accumulation in the Helena Valley, maybe a few inches into the mountains around town. Great Falls, not much snow here with the front going through. but you'll have 65 and very windy conditions for tomorrow. Next week at this time, there could be a more significant snow event.
All right, Curtis, thank you so much. It's a busy night for the meteorologist. It's also a busy night for our sports guy. What you got for us, Sam?
Absolutely.